Hi there, second graders. So this is Miss Crosby, and I'm coming to you with your instructions for phonics and language today. Today is September the 1st, 2020, and you're going to complete phonics and language page 29, 30. Phonics and language page 29 and 30. At the top of the page, you're going to circle the special sounds, which we learned about today. In grin, G-R. In pray, P-R. In drum, D-R. And in bride, B-R. Now, those are the special sounds that we talked about today. But remember, some words may contain more than one special sound. Circle your special sounds. Mark your vowels. What's the vowel rule? When there's two vowels in the word, the first one makes the long sound. The second one is shh, silent. What's the one vowel rule? Smarty pants. You're correct. When there's one vowel in the word, that vowel usually makes the short sound. On number 2, this is what we talked about. We've been talking about this since last week. Sentences. When I give you a telling sentence, I am declaring something. Another word for a declarative for a telling sentence is declarative. Declarative makes a statement. A declarative sentence makes a statement. We are going to the movies. I just told you something. A declarative sentence is a telling sentence. It ends with a period. Because I already know that sentences begin with capital letters and they end with punctuations. Well, this is a special sentence, declarative. That means they will all end with the punctuation period. Okay, that's the punctuation you will use at the end of the declarative sentence, a period. So on number 2, it says unscramble. Why would I need to unscramble words? Because sentences have to make sense. That's why. It says dad and Dan. Then the words that it gives us is to fish like. Dad and dad, to fish like. That makes absolutely no sense. But if I said dad and dad like to fish, now it made sense. Started with a capital letter. Ended with a period because it's a what? Declarative. It tells you something. And now it makes sense. So this sentence meets all check marks. Check. So on number 2, you're going to unscramble your words to make your sentences make sense. Dictation, down at the bottom. These are the special sounds I want you to write. And grin. So you're not writing a word, you're only writing a special sound. 2 letters. And grin. And bride. And drum. And pray. All right. Then down at the bottom, these are your words. So you're actually writing the entire word. These words are going to go with our special rules. When there is one vowel, it makes the short sound. When there's 2 vowels, first one long, second one shh. Usually, when a vowel is long, it has our special friend, Mr. Silent E at the end. Not all the time. That's why we use the word usually. It means sometimes. Your first word is tub. Tub. Next, tube. Tube. So tub, tube. Next word is going to be cub. Cub. And my next word is going to be cube. Cube. So in those words, you should have heard the short U. And in the other words, you should have heard the long U. Okay, let's look at page 30. On page 30, it says, write the picture word. Number 1, write the picture word, circle the special sound, mark the vowels, color the picture. First picture is dress. So you're going to write the word, circle the special sound, mark the vowels, and you can color. And one rule in second grade, coloring is something we save till the end. So once you finish your page, then go back and color. Okay? Next picture is a picture of a grill. Then we have brush, skate. That is a flake. So it's not snow. The word is going to be flake. Stamp. Plane. Moth. We talked about that last week. Remember, caterpillars can transition because we talked about the word metamorphosis, means to change, which was our virtue word. Caterpillars can metamorph or change into either butterflies or moths. So this is the word moth. Number 2, write the rhyming words. Rhyming words have the same ending sound. Sat, mat, bat, cat, rat. Same ending sound. You hear the at. So mad, mad. That's my first word, add. What can I rhyme with that? Mad, lad, mad, pad, mad, glad. So you're listening for the same ending sound. Say the word out loud to yourself, and then that will actually help you so you can hear the ending sound. Number 3, choose the best word to finish each sentence. Draw 3 lines under the letter that should be capitalized. Place a period at the end of each sentence. These are declarative sentences. What's a declarative sentence? It tells you something, makes a statement, ends with a period. We went on a blank. Bug, stick, box, hike, leaf, net. We went on a hike. So I'm going to fill in the blank with hike. I'm going to make sure that I put my period at the end because it's a declarative. It's telling me something. And I know that all sentences, the first letter in the sentence needs to be capitalized. So I'm going to take my 3 lines. Let's go over here to our handy dandy board. Let me show you. So I have the lowercase w in my sentence. I'm going to put 3 lines under here. These lines right here are called editing lines. These editing or proofreading marks. That's another term for it as well. These proofreading marks, 3 lines mean that you are going to make something capital. When you have 3 lines, that means something needs to be capital. All right? 3 lines, capital. That's why you put the 3 lines. So, in the words that need to be capitalized, you're going to write the 3 lines under it, okay? Only thing on the words you're writing is the words that fill in the blank. Put your period, because it's declarative, telling. Fill in the blank. Put your capital proofreading marks. All right, second graders. Those are your instructions for phonics and language, pages 29 and 30 for September the 1st, 2020. And I'll see you later, alligator.